I'm here with Dan Dwyer from Eastern Rural. How was the Dalby cattle sale today, Dan?
Thanks, Tanya. Today, combined owners yarded a total of 6,300 head, up 253 on last week. All categories were firm to dearer. The lighter cattle experiencing slight drops, mainly due to quality. Now for your quote. Bullock 600 kg plus, 416 to 434 to average 422, up 5. Feeder steers 4 to 500 kg, 400 to 518 to average 471, up 30. Heavy heifers 4 to 500, 368 to 476 to average 445, plus 20. Prime cows 520 kilo plus, 380 to 416, 394 averaged, up 14 cents. Medium cows 4 to 500 kg, 284 to 345 to average 327, up 25. Store cows up to 400 kg, 206 to 311 to average 272, up 4. Heavy bulls 340 to 408 to average 378, up 10. Light bulls 350 to 440 to average 393, up 12. Yearling feeder steers 3 to 400 kilo, 430 to 510 to average 473, up 40. Yearling feeder heifers 3 to 400 kg, 370 to 474 to average 440, up 55. Weaner steers 200 to 280 kg, 460 to 580 to average 508, back 14. Weaner heifers 2 to 280 kg, 380 to 460 to average 416, back 12. Cows and calves got out to a top of $2,140. This has been Dan Dwyer with this week's Dalby Market Report. Next week, Eastern Rural is selling in 4th position, so get your bookings in nice and early. Thank you.